What's good, everyone? It's Dr. Tachycardia in the house, and I am here with an unboxing for the latest and greatest OnePlus device, the OnePlus 6T. I don't know if you guys can see it, but here it is. I just got it from T-Mobile. I ordered it 2 days ago, and it just came in the mail. And this OnePlus 6T comes in 3 variants. It comes in the 6 gig, 128 gig model, which starts at $549, and then you have the 8 gig, 128 gig model, which T-Mobile sells only, and that one is at $579. And then there's also an 8 gig, 256 gigabyte model, which that starts at $629. Alright, so this here, if you guys don't already know, it has a Snapdragon 845 processor, which is the latest, and it has a 6.41-inch screen, and that's AMOLED screen, and it has 2 cameras, dual cameras, 2 in the back, a 16 and a 20 megapixel camera, and then also a 16 megapixel camera, front selfie camera. And there's also a 3700 milliamp battery on here, which is a good amount. It should last a good amount of time. And it has its, its well-known fast charging cable, which they used to call Dash, but they seem to have removed that name. And yeah, so it runs off Oxygen OS, which is OnePlus's own operating system, and that's like a tweaked version of Android. Android, and out of the box is Android 9.0, which is Android Pie. So yeah, so let's just open the box and take a look at what we have here. So I'm just gonna cut the box right here. All right. Okay. All right. Should be exciting. Let's see what we have here. All right. So right out of the box, we have the device on top right here, and it has a front sticker, and also the one change about the OnePlus 6T from the OnePlus 6 is that it has an in-screen fingerprint scanner, which is one of the few phones out that has that, so that it no longer has the back fingerprint scanner. It has an in-screen scanner, and also it still has the very fast face unlock. And putting that aside, let's see what else it comes in the box. So it comes with the fast charger and the fast charging wire, which is typical of OnePlus, the red cable, which we all know about. And also, one notable fact is that they have taken out the headphone jack. So now we are stuck with the dongle, like Apple and some other companies out there who have gotten rid of the headphone jack, unfortunately. So, alright, so putting that all aside, and in here we have some paperwork and a free case that comes included, which is pretty awesome that they include a free case. Not many companies do that. And yeah, and also one other thing is it also comes with a screen protector pre-installed, so you don't want to remove that because it's a great added feature that they put on, so you don't have to worry about going out and buying a screen protector. All right, so we have all that, and let's just go ahead and power on the device and see what else it has. And also, real quick, it comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 6, which is the latest and the strongest, so it should be fairly scratch proof. And it's still a 1080p display, which it's a great display, so it shouldn't be that much of a problem. Although we are seeing devices that are with 2K resolution, so this it is a 1080p, but it should be fine. And yeah, so it's it runs edge to edge essentially, and it has a notch. It's a teardrop notch, or they call it. As you can see right up on top, it's a little teardrop, so it's not too bad. As you can see, it has a T-Mobile logo, and yeah. So this here is the midnight black version. So it's the glassy black. It's not the matte finish. It's a beautiful phone. It's it's not too big in the hand. Like I said, it's a 6.41 inch screen, which is fairly large actually. And yeah, so I'm gonna, give this a run for a few days. Give it a try, see what it has to offer, and I'll be posting a follow-up review video after a few days of use, maybe about a week or so. I'll let you guys know how it does, how it holds up, and if you guys have any questions in the meantime, or want to see any features of the phone, just leave it in the comments below, and I'll make sure to go through that through my review period, and then when I do my review, it'll be up there as well. Alright, well, thanks for joining me in unboxing the OnePlus 6T, and hopefully I'll have more videos up soon of various different techs or technologies that I'll be unboxing, and yeah, alright, thank you so much. See you guys.